country, city life. The city life of citizens, life of the people in the world, life of the people in the countries, life of the people in Rwanda. We can measure it by the cost of living. Here in Rwanda, the cost of living is very high, very expensive, is more than people's earnings in weight. The costs here of all economic needs and economic wants are too high, higher than people's capacities to purchase them. No money, no life. No land, no life, no where to live. Land is very expensive to majority of Rwandans. Addition to that, paying taxes on land is also too expensive, more than people's capacities in the pockets. The educational school fees is also very high. School fees is earned by just a few people, and many of all Rwandans cannot afford to get the school fees. Therefore, many of children do not go to school. If they go there, here I mean some, they have chronic problems. They cannot even manage to buy a pencil or the pen or the exercise book of 100 francs. Here I mean Rwandan francs. Some are far away from schools. They need to pay transport costs to be transported to schools and from schools in order to reach at their homes and at schools on both ends. The cost of all is very high and is going beyond money's capacity and understanding. That is to say, money's IQ. As if it is not enough, they are charged also taxes upon their houses. The personal houses, they are not even governmental houses to citizens, but personal houses of poor conditions are being charged rental fees. Why? All of these ones are increasing the cost of living in Rwanda. This is the Ruda president. This is the founder of Ruda. This is the international Ruda Rego representative globally, basing here in Rwanda. This is the senior politician with the total seniority, Barafinda Ssekikubo Fred, basing here in Kigali city, the capital of Rwanda. This is 2019, May 5th. The cost of earning the living is very high, very expensive. It is not easy even to the rich people. What about the poor and the poorest? Measuring the cost of living here in Rwanda can be measured in the changes in the price of basic needs and wants. Here, when I mean changes, I mean positive changes and negative changes upon my Rwandan citizens. I, the Ruda President, we do examine the negative changes and positive changes on all sides of the poor people and the rich people. The changes here in price levels, price do increase every day due to the increment of taxes of many kinds in the citizens by certain different officials, but without considering the capacity of income generations of Rwandan citizens. The vicious circles of poverty here in Rwanda is very high, where many do not even get the money to buy the jerrycan of water, even cannot afford to buy electricity just a few units for lighting or lightening their houses. Water is among the economic needs, and it is not enough. Addition to that, its presence fluctuates. Where water is available, the price is very high, leading to high cost of living in Rwanda. As many do not have permanent homes, renting house costs in Rwanda also is another problem. It is very high. Addition to that, many of Rwandans are jobless. They do not have jobs. Being jobless is also do affect them. Renting costs of houses here in Rwanda also is very expensive to earn a living, because the cost of living here in Rwanda now in 2019 onwards is very high and very expensive beyond money's understanding and capacity too, to the extent that many of them, men and women, and their younger ones,